Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 7 that is water damaged. And poor thing. Let's see what we can do about it. Let's get right into it. So this one came from our repeat client. Last year he had an ROG Phone 2 fixed, and after that he has a Google Pixel 7, which is this one, which later on he poured liquid over the smartphone. So hopefully nothing serious happened to this device, and if it's just the broken display, we'll take it. It's a cheap fix and it's better than scrapping the entire smartphone. So as we know, the Google Pixel smartphones are easy to repair when all you need to do is replace the display, and this one is no exception. So we have already opened this, I believe, and it's not really a guarantee when we use our liquid adhesive. Since it's not factory, we can't guarantee that it is waterproof. And right here, this is a testament. Typically Google's Pixel smartphones are very difficult to open up. This one is relatively easy. And if you have a screen replacement done not by Samsung or Google itself, it's gonna need extra TLC, because it's not the same as factory sealed devices. Right now we're just gonna replace the display, see if it's working, and hopefully it is gonna work. I'll turn this on, plug this in. Let's check the charging port, if it's free of debris. There you go. And it did work. Look at that. Display's kind of dim at 14% battery. It's okay. Camera is also working. Both cameras. There you go. It's just a messed up display, so it's a typical screen replacement then. This water damage, the display took all the damage, so it's an easy fix. We're gonna remove this display for now. One thing we're gonna do is transfer the fingerprint scanner. Of course, it is good to have the actual hardware from the previous device, although the replacement display that we have came with its own fingerprint scanner, but data of your fingerprint, I think, is stored locally. So we're gonna remove this one and transfer it to the replacement display. There you go. Put that to the side. I'm gonna remember that this is the thing that we are supposed to install. This is the replacement display. It's got its own fingerprint scanner, but it's not the same. I think you can still use it, but it's better if we use the existing one for the client. I'm gonna clean up this one. Should be clear so that the device can read the fingerprint clearly, and it's just a matter of installing it. Just align it properly. The square one should be aligned with the slot on the replacement display, and press it in. After this, we're just gonna install it to the main board. We're gonna clean up some liquid, the adhesive residue on the sides. There you go. And then put a fresh layer of our own liquid adhesive. And again, it's not going to be fully waterproof if your smartphone is advertised as waterproof. That is from the factory. We have here just a secondary third-party adhesive, just enough to hold on to the new display, have a solid contact between the display and the housing. And then we're gonna install it right now. Press it in. And then the clip. And then we're gonna close it up. So if you want the same service for your Google Pixel smartphones, or specifically Google Pixel 7, don't hesitate to message us, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We have new videos of other smartphone brands and models that you can watch. If you enjoy this kind of content, definitely give us a follow on Instagram and Facebook, and of course YouTube. If you have negative comments, suggestions, you can also put them down there. And right here, it's good. Good thing. It's gonna live on for a year or two. We're gonna test the fingerprint scanner. It works. Of course it works. You know, how can we forget the fingerprint scanner? There you go. David is good. Final checks. David, super excited. And we'll see you again next time, guys. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.